what is Toasty makeup without moisturizing and priming first? I am using Bobbi Brown's primer slash moisturizer. I love the way that it looks with makeup and how it makes my skin feel. It is a 2-in-1 that makes this process so much easier. Also have to make sure that your brows are nice and snatched. If you guys want a detailed, updated brow tutorial, comment down below and I'll gladly do that for y'all. Toasty makeup to me is really simple and easy and nice and bronze. So I'm using this blush palette from Smashbox to making sure that my eyes is nice and bronze to go well with the rest of my face. Getting down to the nitty-gritty of underpainting, please use your favorite bronzer slash contour. I'm using Say Beauty's bronzer. I love this stuff and I love how it actually shows up on my skin and it feels like I just came back from Saint Tropez. I love this bronzer down and I will always recommend this. Going in with concealer, I use my same shade concealer first and I put it all over my placements. Then I add my brighter shade concealer in all the places that I need extra brightening. And of course, I start blending in the outer corner because that's where I'm going to place my blush. And then I will blend in my concealers later. We're doing Toasty makeup, but this Rare Beauty blush is so beautiful on dark skin. I love it so much, but it will blend in well with the underpainting of having a nice bronze toasty skin. Biggest key to underpainting is blending. You have to take your time because you're not using as much product, so you can see a lot more of your mistakes. So blend like your life depended on it. Start off with your concealers, then your bronzer, then your blush, whatever way that you do it. As long as you blend, it will look fantastic. So now I'm going in with my favorite foundation, which is the L'Oreal True Match Foundation. I put a pump on my hand and I place the foundation in the places where I don't have any product. So that's underneath my contour slash bronzer, my forehead, any place that does not have product, I apply my foundation and I don't use a lot. Then I go in with all of my powders. I will make sure to link all of the products that I'm using in my LTK, so check out the description box down below so you are able to get these products as well. Underpainting is not as hard as people make it seem, and it looks good no matter what skin tone that you have. Thank you guys so much for watching this makeup tutorial. Comment down below if you want more, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Love y'all so much. Bye.